Xiamen Tench Import and Export Company Limited, a affiliated company of Jiangxi Tench Food Company Limited headquartered in Xiamen City, Fujian Province, is engaged in the import and export business. Its core advantages include biscuits, bread, cakes, pastries, candy, chocolate, jelly pudding, fruit and vegetable snacks, meat snacks, etc. Jiangxi Tench Food Company Limited is a modern food group enterprise that integrates research, production, supply and sales, headquartered in Fuzhou City, Jiangxi Province, southeast of China. The company covers an area of 51,724 square meters. It currently has the Tench Food Industry Operation Headquarters in Fuzhou Tench Development Zone and the Tench Leisure Food Industrial Park Production Base in Fuzhou, Jiangxi Province, and has 4 warehouses to support our exporting. The company has adopted a multi-brand, full-platform marketing strategy and has incubated multiple food brands such as Qiansi, Lingqu, Qiange, Xiaozan, etc. It has developed nearly 300 products in multiple series. Our company's products sold North America, Middle East and Southeast Asia. The company has won the unanimous recognition of consumers with satisfactory quality and perfect after-sales service. Our affiliated factory has a professional R&D team. We can design and produce according to the drawings provided by our customers. ODM and OEM orders are welcome. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. Thanks.